One of the fastest ways to accelerate your entrepreneurial journey is through joint ventures, partnerships, and strategic alliances. Most people don't do it very well. And in this clip, my business partner, Daniel Priestley, talks about the core idea of partnerships. Check it out.
The idea behind partnership is that my belief is that there's no such thing as a self-made millionaire or a successful person who acts in isolation. That success these days is a team sport. You know, the buzzword is obviously collaboration. And goals, dreams, ideas, growth stories, they become very plausible with the right partners involved. So if I said to you, look, I'm going to launch a brand new product and we're aiming to get 10,000 buyers in the first 3 months, you might say, well, I'm not sure if that sounds credible or plausible. And if I said to you, well, actually, we're partnering with Richard Branson and Virgin, and they're going to package it in with every flight. Well, you say, well, why only 10,000? Right? Yeah. Because with the right partner, the goal didn't just become plausible, it actually became implausible that the number would be so low. So what most businesses are lacking is the right partnership.
So if you're looking for some more inspiration about how to bring partnerships to life in your own business, well, I look forward to seeing you at the Key Personal Influence workshop. I'll see you soon.